Yes, good morning, second class children. So let's revise the Hindi class. Yesterday our two aha we had learned, and the first row of Vyanjan, that is consonants, k to ni letters. Have you done the practice, second class children? Please go ahead with the good practice of writing in your Hindi class book note. Okay, second class children. I hope everyone is writing it at home. Very neat handwriting. Daily you just do the practice of writing only one page. Okay, so I think everyone got to know how to write on the line. So please place the finger gap right on the blue line. Okay, for example, see now listen here how to write. I will show you to ha letters. Okay, this is the line. Okay children, the next line is, this is the second line, broad line. So you are all using the broad line notebook, right? The next one. Now look at here. I'll draw the margin line, then we'll start the class. Okay. The next one. Touch the line. Place the finger gap. The next one. E. Fourth letter is E. O. O. Re. Okay. We had completed here. 7 letters, first row. This next row again. Start from A. Okay. Give a proper line. And I. What is this? I. O. Okhali. Au. Aurat. Angur. Aha. Khal. So to please keep on doing this practice three times. Okay, so next one, first row, what we had learned yesterday, that is k, second letter k, second letter is k, g, and the fourth letter is g, fifth letter is ni. What is this? Ni. Now what is the first letter? I told you na, K say Kamal, isn't it? Or any, you take one more picture. Every letter I am just showing the two pictures for you. Okay, don't get confused. K say Kamal, Kalam, pen. Okay, and very easy to draw, isn't it? And understand. And the next letter is K, and the next letter is K. K say Khat. And next, second picture is Khargosh. What is this picture? Yes, Khargosh. Okay. The next one is G, Gamala. G say Gamala. Flower pot. So please, you have to paste the pictures now. Tomorrow I will give some worksheets about the related of the skirt Gnya pictures. Okay, and another one is G say Gaj, but this is one picture is enough now. Again, if you want to write again, you have to draw this elephant picture. Okay, so it is very hard to draw for you people, children. So I am not showing this picture for you. It is Gaj, elephant. What is this? Gaj, elephant. It's a huge animal, isn't it? This is the Gaj. Okay. Is it clear? Next one. Gha se ghada. Gha se ghada. Gha se ghada. There you can draw ghar. You can draw the picture of what? Ghar. Is it clear, children? Ghar. The next letter is Ni se khali. Is it clear? Now come on, say K, Kh, G, Gh, Ni. A, I, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Aha. Place. here you are getting the double sound. ఇలా డబుల్ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ వినండి, ఈ ఈ. ఓకే, మీరు తెలుగులో అంటారు కదా దీర్ఘము గుడి దీర్ఘము అని తెలుగులో ఉంటాం, బట్ హిందీలో అలా ఉండదు. We have only still up to u we have the two sounds, double sounds, a. But in Hindi we have only, as soon as the re letter starts we have only one single sound. Okay, malli meeru re ala ledhu ikkada, re ana letter only one. After re you should not say a. Soon after re letter a, after a I after o, au, ah. Is it clear? So can you observe children, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు, పెద్ద దీర్ఘం తీసుకున్నాం అని, ఇక్కడ కూడా అలానే ఈ ఈ है ना. तो यहाँ पे क्या you are getting double sounds. Okay, and here also you are getting the double sound, u. Finish, that's it. And soon after when you start the re letter, अभी क्या बन गया यहाँ पे, u से ऊन के बाद री, ఇక్కడ ఏముంది री. ओके, अभी उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्या लिखना है अपने को, we have to start the a letter. हम क्या लिखेंगे, a अक्षर a, and after a అన అనొద్దు. ఓకే, మీరు a అన్న తర్వాత a అలా అనకూడదు. a, దాని తర్వాత I అన్న తర్వాత o, आफ्टर o के बाद क्या बोलना है आपको, औ के बाद आहा से खाली. दिस इज क, ख, ग, घ, ni. Got it? So keep on doing this pictures, drawing and write the letters. And what is the next row? Yes, now we are going with the next row, that is ch se chammach. What is that? ch se chammach. Now look at here, leave a line, leave a line. Now we are going to follow the next one. Second row, first row 5 letters, k, kh, g, gh, ni. 5 letters. First row we had completed. Now second row. Okay, what is the second row? Ch, j, jh, ni. Is it clear? And how to write ch? First stroke, look at here, first stroke 1, second stroke 2, go up towards, come down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, first stroke. After that second, then go upward, come down, then give a line. Look at arrow marks, follow like this strokes. When you are writing on the line, strokes ఎలా రాయాలి, లైన్ మీద రాసినప్పుడు మీరు కేర్ఫుల్గా రాయండి, మధ్యలో ఇలా రాయొద్దు, ఇలా ఇలా రాయడము ఇలా అనొద్దు. ఓకేనా? సో ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ రైట్ ఆన్ ద లైన్, ప్లీజ్. Now this is the line. Now teacher will show you how to write the strokes in the line. Okay, now this is the first stroke, midline, take a curve. Okay, go towards up, come back again, 1, 2, 3, 4. ఇలా తీసుకొని ఇలా మళ్ళీ కిందకి రావాలి, ఇలా డబుల్ చేయొద్దు. యువర్ లెటర్ షుడ్ నాట్ కమ్ డబుల్ ఆర్ లెందీ లైన్, ఇలానే అనొద్దు. చ లెటర్ రాసి ఇంత పెద్దగా ఇట్లా లైన్ కిందకి వెళ్ళడము ఇవన్నీ అనకూడదు. ఓకే, ఇలా యూ डोंट राइट लाइक दिस चिल्ड्रन. इज इट क्लियर? आपको ऐसा नहीं लिखना है, अक्षर जितना है उतना ही रेखा देना, लाइन लाइक दिस, गिव अ स्मॉल लाइन. समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों आपको? आई थिंक हिंदी ऑल्सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, इज इट इट? वेरी गुड. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. दिस इज अ च लेटर एंड च से क्या बनता, कौन सा चित्र आता? चम्मच, स्पून. व्हाट इज दिस? च से चम्मच. एंड यू नो चरखा. व्हाट इज दिस? You know, this is also one picture, chammach, charkha. Okay, and what about the next letter? Ch. How to write ch? Again, next line. Look at the strokes. First, take a cross. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one small line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at here. छ से क्या बन गया? छतरी. छ से छतरी. Umbrella. Isn't it? Is it clear? Ch, ch. Now today I had shown the 2 letters. Tomorrow again I will continue with the next 3 letters. Okay. First keep on doing the practice of ch and ch. And tomorrow teacher will show you j, jh, how to write, and ni letters. Okay. And I don't want to make you confused now. So ch ela rayadam nerchukondi. How to take the curved line and how to place a small line. So today we had completed with the 2 letters ch and ch. The next 3 letters tomorrow I will explain you how to write. Still that you keep on doing the practice of what? To ch. J, jad, jahaj, jash, jhanda, ni se khali. These 3 pictures. Tomorrow I will show you with the pictures and the letter writing practice strokes. Please do the practice because still some children they don't know how to write this letter of k. Okay, నేను మెల్లమెల్లగా తీసుకుపోతాను. మీరు అందరూ ఇదే ఫాలో చేసుకొని ఇంట్లో రాయండి. आप लोग सभी 2 अक्षर प्रैक्टिस करो. सिर्फ 2 नया अक्षर आज का च और छ. One small sound, another one is bigger sound. Is it clear, children? Okay. I need a finger gap. The first main important thing is keep your pencils very sharp and write very neat handwriting. Don't run behind with the letters rushing and gushing. మీరు పరిగెత్తడము ఆడుకోవడంలో ఇలా రాయడంలా ఉంటే హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ మొత్తం డర్టీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో క్లాస్లో ఎంత బాగా రాశారో అలానే ఇక్కడ ఆన్లైన్లో కూడా అలానే రాయండి. ఓకే, నేను ఇవాళ మీకు అన్నీ నేను చూపించలేదు. ఓన్లీ 2 letters చ అండ్ ఛ. నిన్న మనకు చూపించింది ఏంటి? నేను 2 days క ఖ ఆల్రెడీ విచ్ వీ హ్యాడ్ లెర్న్డ్ అట్ in school. Now we had continued with the g, gh, ni completed. Today we are getting into ch and ch. Okay, so I hope this class is very clear for my 2nd class children. Keep on doing the work and don't keep any pending work. As soon as the school reopens, I will check your Hindi classwork. So I need your very neat performance in your Hindi classwork notebook. Is it clear, children? Yes, I hope this class is very clear for you, for you all. So take care all of you and keep on doing my homework. Okay, so don't keep any incomplete work. Complete the work then and there. Okay, fine. Thank you.